Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about how to create truncated square pyramid with the form tool. So left side you can see the form state of the sheet metal component, and right side is a form tool component. So this is the component I am going to create using forming tool. And this is the forming tool component. So let's start now. So initially I am going to create the form tool. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch. See here, instead of creating a rectangle and constraining, I am simply taking a polygon. See here, I am taking 4 sides, so it is a square. Keep it in horizontal, and the side is 200. Go to features, extruded boss, flip the direction, and thickness I am taking 5 mm, and say OK. Now select the top plane, go to sketch. So once again I am going to create one square. So I am going to place it here, make it horizontal. So this is 100. So it's not coincide with the origin, just coincide this. So it is constrained now. See, now I am going to create one plane. So select the plane command and select this face. So the height is 40 mm. So the plane has been created. So select this plane, go to sketch. So once again I am going to create square with polygon 4 mm, 4 sides. Make it horizontal. Select this point and origin, make it coincide. And this is 40 mm. So come out of the sketch. Keep it in isometry. So hide this plane. Select these 2 sketches. Go to feature, make it loft. And say OK. See here. Now I am going to apply fillet on this face. See here. So instead of applying on each edge, I am going to use a simple trick. Select this face, so fillet radius is 5 mm, and this face and this face, all edges have been selected and saved. See here. Now select this face, go to sketch, draw a circle. So this is 15 mm. And this is 20 mm. And the whole diameter is 10. Now apply linear pattern. So we have to select the entities to be pattern. So I am going to select this. So towards x direction it is 80 and with 3 instances. Y direction it is 85. So we have to flip the direction. 85 with 3 instances. And I am going to skip the center instances, which is not required for us. So select these instances to skip. Select this instance and save. Now select extruded boss. So I am taking 5 mm and say OK. So the form tool features have been created. Now I am going to apply forming tool command. So this is my stopping face. So I am going to apply this, and faces to remove, we have to select this circular and flat surface. And say OK. So this is the forming tool. So we have to select save as, and we have to save in the forming tool folder. So this is the folder. We can go here straight away to the following design library, select the forming tools. Either we can create new folder or existing folder, and we can save directly here. I have already saved this. Now I am going to create the sheet metal component. So taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane. Here also I am going to use same. Select the polygon, select the 4 sides, and select this line, make it horizontal. Select this point and this horizon, make it coincide, and this is 200. So go to sheet metal module, select the base flange, and I have taken 1 mm and K factor as 0.45. So now we have to go to forming tool, select the forming tool and place it over here. See here, it is forming downwards. We can flip the other side. So for position, so we have to place at the center exactly. So take a center line and draw diagonally, and simply select this point, move, place it at the center. And say OK. See here, the component is ready now. So this is a brief about truncated square pyramid with the form tool. Thanks for watching.